Today, we are exposing 5 engagement ring brands that are absolutely robbing you blind and revealing 5 that are actually worth the money. In 10th place, K Jewelers is what happens when a financing department achieves total victory over a jeweler. A solitaire engagement ring at K carrying a 1 carat center stone commonly retails between $4,500 and $6,000. The exact same specifications, same carat weight, same color, same clarity grade, sourced through an online retailer with GIA certification runs between $2,200 and $3,000. That is more than double the price for an identical stone. K operates thousands of mall locations across America, and you are paying for those leases every time you swipe your card. The real engine behind K's business model is not diamond expertise, it is financing. K approves credit in-store within minutes, locking buyers into high-interest payment plans on a ring that was already marked up before the first payment was due. Mall jewelry stores also rely on intense halogen lighting engineered to make every diamond look brilliant under the case glass. Take that same stone outside into natural daylight and the brilliance frequently disappears, replaced by a dull or yellow tone the showroom never lets you see. You are not buying a diamond. You are buying a financing plan with a ring attached to it. Number 9, Zales operates under the exact same ownership structure as K, and the markup follows the same playbook with one additional problem layered on top. Zales, K, and Jared are all owned by Signet Jewelers, a single corporation generating $2.5 billion in sales across 3,500 stores nationwide. What sets Zales apart for the worse is the diamond grading. The majority of diamonds sold at Zales carry certification from laboratories that are not as rigorously respected as GIA, the only grading standard that actually matters in the resale and appraisal market. A stone-graded H color, SI1 clarity on a Zales certificate frequently reappraises at GIA as J color, I clarity once it leaves the store. That gap is not a rounding error. It is the difference between paying for what you were told you bought and discovering what you actually own. Zales also sells complete engagement rings manufactured overseas in bulk quantities where the color, clarity, and even the carat weight of the center stone can vary from ring to ring by as much as 10%, according to the fine print most buyers never read. You are not buying a graded diamond. You are buying an estimate dressed up as a certainty. 8th place, Jared positions itself as the premium tier within the Signet family, and the price reflects that positioning without the engineering to back it up. A 2-carat halo engagement ring at Jared commonly retails between $9,000 and $13,000. The identical specifications sourced through Blue Nile or James Allen, both GIA certified, land between $5,500 and $7,500. Jared's advertising leans heavily into the emotional moment, the velvet box reveal, the in-store celebration, the experience of the purchase rather than the engineering of the stone. None of that experience appears on the appraisal when you go to insure the ring or resell it down the line. Signet's own publicly filed financial statements show a gross margin of 42% across the entire company on $6.8 billion in annual sales. That margin does not come from superior diamond sourcing. It comes from the gap between what Jared pays a supplier and what you pay at the counter. You are not buying a once-in-a-lifetime moment. You are funding 42 cents of pure margin on every dollar before a single light bulb in that velvet display case gets paid for. Number 7, Tiffany & Company Bridal proves that even the most respected name in the industry is not immune to the brand tax. A 1.50 carat G color VS2 clarity round brilliant diamond mounted in a platinum solitaire setting from Tiffany retails above $15,000. The identical stone, same carat, same color, same clarity, sourced through James Allen costs $7,500 before the setting is even added. That is less than half the price for a stone. An independent gemologist cannot distinguish from the Tiffany version under any standard inspection. So what does the extra $7,500 actually buy you? Brand cachet, the experience of the little blue box, the ability to tell people the ring came from Tiffany. None of that is visible once the ring is on the finger, and none of it appears when an appraiser values the stone for insurance purposes. Tiffany & Company was founded in 1837 as a stationery and fancy goods store, and nearly 2 centuries of brand storytelling is precisely what you are financing at this price point. You are not buying a superior diamond. You are buying a story Tiffany has spent 187 years perfecting. Number 6. David Yurman Bridal sells the idea of artisan design at a price point that has very little to do with what is actually inside the setting. A David Yurman engagement ring with a center diamond in the 1 carat range commonly retails between $6,000 and $9,000, depending on the cable motif and metal selection. The diamond itself, when isolated and compared against GIA certified stones of identical grade sold independently, accounts for roughly 40 to 50% of that total price. The remaining balance is the cable design, a signature silhouette that has become instantly recognizable in American jewelry, but does not require the labor intensity or rare material sourcing that would justify a comparable markup in other luxury categories. David Yurman pieces are produced at scale across a network of authorized retailers and department store counters, which is a fundamentally different manufacturing model than a workshop producing limited runs by hand. You are not buying scarcity, you are buying a recognizable silhouette stamped onto a standard center stone at a price that assumes you will never ask what the diamond costs on its own. Number 5, Helzberg Diamonds closes out the robbing half of this list, and it does so quietly because most buyers do not realize who actually owns the company. Helzberg is a subsidiary of Berkshire Hathaway, Warren Buffett's investment conglomerate, acquired specifically because mall jewelry retail throws off extremely reliable cash flow through exactly the markup structure we have covered on this list. A 2-carat engagement ring at Helzberg commonly retails between $8,000 and $12,000. The same specifications sourced online with GIA certification land between $4,500 and $6,000. Helzberg's in-house grading reports, like Kay and Zales, frequently grade more favorably than an independent GIA assessment would on the identical stone. Independent appraisers report the same pattern across the mall jewelry sector consistently. The color looks 1 grade better on the in-house report than it does once a GIA gemologist examines the same diamond under controlled lighting. You are not buying a Berkshire Hathaway level of financial reliability passed on to you as value. You are funding the financial reliability of a conglomerate that selected this industry specifically because the markup never has to be justified to the person paying it. Number 4, Blue Nile proves that real diamond expertise does not require a mall lease to deliver. Here you get access to one of the largest GIA certified diamond inventories in the world, with every stone independently graded before it ever reaches a customer. That certification is not optional or upsold. It is standard on every diamond Blue Nile sells. What sets Blue Nile apart is the price match guarantee and in a return policy with no questions asked within 30 days of shipment, structural commitments that mall retailers do not offer because their pricing could not survive the comparison. A 1.5 carat G color VS1 clarity round brilliant in a classic solitaire setting through Blue Nile lands in the $9,000 to $10,500 range. Fully GIA certified and independently verifiable. The identical specifications at a comparable mall chain run 40 to 60% higher for a stone you cannot independently verify with the same confidence. Blue Nile operates with dramatically lower overhead than physical retail, and that savings shows up directly in what you pay rather than disappearing into a financing department's margin. There is no fabricated showroom lighting trick here. There is a certified stone, an honest price, and a guarantee that the company will match anyone who beats it. If you want to see exactly where your money goes on an engagement ring, this is where the value starts to show. Number 3, James Allen earns its place by eliminating the single biggest hidden cost in diamond retail, which is the overhead of showing you the stone in person. James Allen built a high-resolution, 360-degree video system that lets you examine every facet of a diamond before you buy it, reducing returns and eliminating the need for the staffing and lease costs that inflate prices everywhere else. Industry analysis confirms this is not a quality compromise. It is an efficiency gain passed directly to the customer. James Allen sources many diamonds through a just-in-time model, meaning the stone moves from supplier to customer without sitting in inventory accumulating carrying costs that get baked into the final price. A 1.5 carat E-color VS1 Clarity Lab grown diamond with full IGI certification. Runs in the $3,000 to $4,000 range at James Allen. A fraction of what an equivalent natural stone costs at any mall retailer and still backed by independent certification you can verify. James Allen has now been integrated into Blue Nile, combining both companies' sourcing networks into a single inventory, which means the selection has only grown stronger. You are not paying for a showroom. You are paying for the diamond itself, examined from every angle before you ever commit. Number 2, Brian Gavin diamonds and white flash represent the technical ceiling of what an engagement ring diamond can actually be, and they are recommended specifically by independent reviewers for one reason: cut quality that mall retailers do not even measure. Cut is the single factor of the 4 C's that determines how much a diamond actually sparkles, and it is also the factor most chain jewelers gloss over, because a well-cut smaller stone frequently outperforms a poorly cut larger one in actual brilliance. Brian Gavin and White Flash specialize in ideal and super ideal cut diamonds, verified through independent light performance imaging that goes beyond what a standard GIA certificate alone can show you. A 1.5 carat ideal cut diamond from either retailer typically runs in the $11,000 to $14,000 range for top color and clarity grades, a premium over Blue Nile or James Allen, but one that buys you measurable, independently verified optical performance rather than a brand name. This is not marketing language. It is physics you can see documented in a light performance report before you ever place an order. You are not paying extra for a logo at this tier. You are paying extra for a diamond engineered to perform at the absolute limit of what the stone is physically capable of. And finally, in first place, Quince proves that the best value in the entire engagement ring industry might come from a company most buyers have never associated with bridal jewelry at all. Quince built its entire business model around eliminating the markup chain across multiple product categories, sourcing directly from the same manufacturing partners that supply established luxury brands, and removing every layer of retail markup in between. A 1 carat G-color VS1 Clarity Lab grown diamond in a 14 karat gold solitaire setting from Quince retails around $800 to $1,200 complete, fully certified, a price point that does not exist anywhere else in this comparison for an equivalent specification. Forbes specifically named Quince its pick for engagement rings that offer the best value for the price in its most recent vetted retailer ranking. The settings use solid 14 karat gold, not plated alloy, and the lab-grown diamonds carry independent certification, confirming they are chemically and optically identical to mine stones. Quince's cost-to-retail ratio is the tightest of any brand on this entire list because the company applies the same direct-to-consumer model across every product category it sells, removing department store markup, removing showroom overhead, removing the financing department margin entirely. Military families, first-time buyers, and budget-conscious couples increasingly choose Quince not because it is the cheapest compromise available, but because it is the rare case in this industry where almost every dollar you spend goes directly into the ring rather than into the structure built to sell it to you. You are not paying for a velvet box experience here. You are buying a certified diamond at a price built entirely around what the ring actually costs to make. Across all 10 brands, one reality is clear. In the engagement ring world, you are either funding a marketing fantasy or investing in a certified stone. The difference is not subtle. It is the gap between paying for a velvet box and paying for what is actually mounted inside it. This purchase deserves more than showroom lighting and a financing plan. Choose certification over cachet and make every carat and every dollar count. Which side are you on? Let us know in the comments.